I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble unlocking your card on Gate.io, follow these simple steps to get it sorted out quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Gate.io account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallet section. Once logged in, go to the Wallet section from the main menu. This is where you can manage your funds and cards. Step 3. Select your card. In the Wallet section, find the card you want to unlock. Click on it to view its details and settings. Step 4. Unlock the card. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Quick gotcha, if you don't receive the verification code, check your spam folder or try resending it. Step 5. Confirm the unlock. After successfully verifying your identity, confirm the unlock action. You should see a notification that your card is now unlocked. Now you should be all set to use your card again. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy trading!